Look at this, a whopping big leopard moray eel. Some red emperors swimming past. The big eel coming out down here, just got smacked in the head by a fish. Where you go? You can wait all day to watch these things swim, that's awesome. Normally they're just sitting in the hole with their head poking out. Alright, there's your excitement for the day. Oh, they're everywhere, look down here. Nice big teeth on them. Some beautiful big leopard morays. A couple of stripies. Those guys look like good friends. Beautiful red emperors. Oh, a little damsel. Amazing he doesn't get eaten. Good luck, mate. Some powder blue tangs. Little star damsel. Another little star damsel down there too. Don't know if I want to be him. One of these guys get hungry, he's got no chance. Little cleaner wrasse down there as well. Where's the cleaner wrasse gone? There he is. Little cleaner wrasse did have a lot to do in there. You often see the cleaner wrasse and the eels together.